Maporma, matibay at syempre poging SUV. Check mo tong Trailblazer LT natin. New arrival to guys. I got you ulit. Good morning guys. Another day, another unit. So meron tayong napakabarakot, napakapoging new arrival dito. 2018 Chevrolet Trailblazer natin LT, automatic transmission. Exterior wise tayo, fresh, original paint, naka-automatic side mirrors ka, at 20 inches black mags at naka-black rhino na rin yan at makakapal ang gulong niya. At sa pinakaharap guys, meron tayong napakapoging headlight with day running light fog lamps at napakabarakong grill niyan. May ilaw ka dito kahit sinong humarap, mabubulag at syempre 9 ang ending. Interior wise naman tayo guys, para kang nasa hotel dito kasi tignan mo yung headliner niya, upgraded na yan, parang bag ng nanay mo. At syempre, naka-fresh leather seats ka, well-designed na dashboard, may storage space ka dito, infotainment system, climate control, may power outlets ka, automatic transmission, 2 cup holders at center console. At sa driver side guys, napaka-fresh na steering wheel nito, analog display with low odometer only, at guys, naka-plastic pa yung mga sun visors niya at may 2 vanity mirrors ka on both sides at may sunshade holder ka sa gitna. At sa second row naman, para kang VIP dito guys, check nyo to, malawag ang legroom, may headroom yan, 5'10" ang height ko, may air vents ka dito, climate control, at may armrest ka with 2 built-in cup holders. At sa third row naman, nothing special here guys, sakto naman ako dito, at syempre may air vents ka dito at cup holder on both sides. At sa pinakaliod guys, meron kang napakapoging stock taillights dito with chrome garnish at reverse camera. At syempre guys, meron din pala yung nag-iisang rear fog light dito. At sa trunk space niya, it's a 7-seater SUV at syempre namababa yung third row seat niyan. At syempre guys, napakaluwag yung trunk space niyan at kompleto yun ng tools, spare tire, and jack. So this is the 2018 Chevrolet Trailblazer LT natin, automatic transmission na napakabarakot, napakapogi nito. At syempre kung gusto mo tong coaching to, for only 795,000 guys, mauuwi mo na tong coaching to. At syempre, open tayo for cash, trade-in, and financing. Sa financing natin, napaka-basic niyan. 1-day approval tayo at basic na requirements ito guys. At syempre, pag cash, mas basic para ka lang bumili ng candy. At syempre, we have all over 50 units dito sa Dars dyan. Kaya napahihintay mo guys, tumawag ka na, i-reserve mo na ng napaka-poging Trailblazer LT natin. Baka maunahan ka pa. Thank you guys. Peace out!